Welcome. I am Temi. Let me be your guide through Sonica, the sound experience. Comprised of both engaging and reflective works, Sonica, the sound experience brings together 8 inspiring artists and artist groups to interpret and explore sound. Resonate is a study of how music and sound interact with our brains. Sound can light up different sectors of our brains. Tosca Terran is exploring the microbiome within mycelium using sound as a way of seeing the changes within the world. I don't often go to the ocean for obvious reasons. This ocean drum, from the Open Ears Festival, is a great alternative for me. By slowly tilting the drum, several thousand ball bearings roll around, creating a wondrous and soothing sound. Here are my friends, the tall one and the short one. Hey YouTube, this room was created by artist James Kirkpatrick. Please grab a workbook and pencil. We will reflect on noise and silence in this part of the gallery. When you are ready, please share your pages in the appropriate sections.
Very opportunistic when it comes to finding the sounds to put in my works these days. Of course, I'm looking for sounds that appeal to me or are appropriate.
Sounds of the Region is a project where songs have been created in partnership with 4 local social service groups. This is our final stop. The pipeophone here was created out of drainage pipe cut to very specific lengths to create the different notes. Well, that is all I have to say on my first tour. Please feel free to go back and explore the exhibit. Thank you for visiting THEMUSCUM today, and I hope to see you again.